If you want to enable, disable, and use your circle to search feature on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you have to open up your settings. Now scroll down to your display tab. There it is. In your display tab, scroll down to your navigation bar, tap it, and locate your circle to search. Make sure that this option is activated. Since it's activated, great. Now we can hold our finger at this home tab, home button. Hold your finger here, and now you can simply highlight any object and the search will start. And basically that's how it works. It's a really fun and cool feature. Sometimes it can be really helpful, and if you want to turn it off, open up your navigation bar and tap on the switch to turn it off. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.